Hi, this is Carla with WTI. I want to show you my favorite sunglasses. These are the round flat lens sunglasses from Ray-Ban. These are very stylish sunglasses. I mean, when I wear them, I just feel like a brand new person when I'm out and about, and it goes well with my outfits, and I just feel very cool and in style. And they're just so cute, and I get lots of compliments on them. People are asking me like, hey, where'd you get those? And so that's why I love these sunglasses. And these sunglasses are very in trend, and I love the round features. So it has the metal frame. It is non-polarized, but has that UV protection. And these are the 53mm size. So it has that classic like round flat lens, and I mean, it's very modern, and the lenses are durable, and you know, they are high quality, which is my favorite thing. So if you're in the market looking for some nice, sleek, stylish sunglasses, I highly recommend the round flat lens sunglasses from Ray-Ban, and that is my point of view.